Heart failure is a serious condition that affects millions of people. It occurs when the heart can't pump enough blood and oxygen to meet the body's needs. While some symptoms may not seem like a big deal at first, ignoring the signs of heart failure can have devastating consequences. In this post, we'll go over 7 major symptoms that could indicate your heart is failing and requires immediate medical attention. Don't brush these off, get them checked out right away. 1. Persistent coughing or wheezing. One of the most common early signs of heart failure is a dry, hacking cough that won't go away. This symptom is caused by fluid backing up into your lungs due to your heart's inability to properly pump blood. The excess fluid triggers inflammation and irritation, leading to persistent coughing. You may also experience wheezing or shortness of breath when lying down. If you can't seem to kick that nagging cough, it may be a red flag for heart failure. Don't write it off, get it evaluated promptly. 2. Chronic fatigue and weakness. Feeling constantly drained and weak is not normal. If you struggle with fatigue and weakness that persists for weeks and prevents you from going about your daily activities, it could stem from heart failure. When the heart can't deliver enough oxygen-rich blood to the muscles and tissues, it takes a major toll on your energy levels. Small tasks become exhausting. Make an appointment with your doctor if fatigue and muscle weakness are ongoing issues. It's one of the most telling signs that your heart needs help. 3. Swelling in the legs, feet or abdomen. Swelling, also called edema, happens when fluid builds up in the body's tissues. When the heart isn't pumping strongly enough, blood can back up into the veins and leak fluid into surrounding tissues. This is why leg, feet and abdominal swelling are hallmark symptoms of heart failure. The swelling may be mild at first but can become severe. It's most noticeable in the lower extremities like the legs and ankles but can also occur in the belly. Fluid in the lungs can also cause shortness of breath. Don't disregard swelling, have it evaluated right away. 4. Rapid weight gain. Gaining weight rapidly is reason for concern. If you suddenly put on a few pounds in just a few days without changing your diet or exercise routine, it could point to heart failure. This unexplained weight gain is typically caused by fluid retention and edema related to the heart's impaired pumping ability. Gaining as little as 2-3 pounds in a short time frame due to fluid buildup is a warning sign not to overlook. Monitor your weight closely and watch for any unusual spikes. 5. Loss of appetite. Have you noticed you haven't been hungry lately? Loss of appetite and unintended weight loss can stem from heart failure. When the heart isn't working efficiently, digestion suffers. Blood flow to the digestive system decreases, which can dampen signals of hunger. Feeling full after eating just a little is another red flag. If you experience ongoing appetite loss and unexplained weight loss, get checked out. It likely means your heart needs attention. 6. Irregular heartbeat. Palpitations, a fluttering or pounding heart, are another giveaway sign of a struggling heart. Heart failure reduces your heart's ability to maintain a normal rhythm and rate. You may notice your heart seems to race or beat harder than normal even when you are at rest. Dizziness when standing up suddenly can also indicate an erratic heartbeat. Don't write off palpitations, and irregular heart rhythm may signal that heart failure is present and requires treatment. 7. Confusion and impaired thinking. Failing to think clearly and confusion are not normal aspects of aging. When your heart isn't pumping sufficiently, your brain is robbed of oxygen. This can impair your cognition, judgment, and ability to focus and process information. You may experience mental fuzziness or dizziness. Severe heart failure can even induce memory loss and personality changes. Mental decline coupled with the other symptoms should raise a red flag. Ask your doctor for an evaluation. The takeaway? Listen to your body and pay attention to worrisome symptoms. Heart failure causes symptoms you simply can't ignore. Catching it early is crucial. Advanced heart failure becomes increasingly difficult to treat. Don't downplay coughing, swelling, fatigue, and appetite changes. And absolutely get medical care immediately for chest pain, fainting, or sudden cardiac arrest. If your heart doesn't feel right, get it checked out sooner rather than later. Your health depends on it. I hope this overview gave you a better idea of the major symptoms of heart failure you need to watch out for. Let's recap the 7 we went over. Persistent coughing or wheezing. Chronic fatigue and weakness. Swelling in the legs, feet, or abdomen. Rapid weight gain. Loss of appetite. Regular heartbeat. Confusion and impaired thinking. Thank you for reading. I aim to provide valuable health and wellness information to help people catch issues early and get treatment when needed. Please let me know if you have any other topics you'd like me to cover related to heart health. I look forward to bringing you more practical tips and essential health knowledge. Now, it's quiz time. See how many symptoms you can recall from the 7 we discussed. 1. What symptom involves fluid buildup and swelling in areas like the legs and abdomen? 2. True or false? Occasional coughing and wheezing is completely normal and not a cause for concern. 3. Which symptom signals that the heart is having trouble delivering oxygen-rich blood to the muscles? 4. What warning sign involves rapid weight gain over just a few days? 5. What symptom makes it difficult to think clearly and focus? I hope you nailed the quiz. Check below for the answers. 1. Swelling in the legs, feet, or abdomen. 2. False persistent coughing and wheezing can indicate heart failure. 3. Chronic fatigue and weakness. 4. Rapid weight gain. 5. Confusion and impaired thinking. Thanks for reading all the way to the end and testing your knowledge. Be sure to listen to your body and get checked out if you have any symptoms that seem concerning. I look forward to seeing you in my next post.